If you're a beginner who wants to learn data analytics but don't know where to start, or you feel overwhelmed, this video is for you. I created this channel for absolute beginners who wants to break into tech through data analytics. The purpose of this channel is to simplify things for you, make it easy and take you by the hand and help you through your journey as a data analyst. Hi, I'm Queen Valen. I work remotely as a data analyst living in Lagos, Nigeria. The data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing and analyzing data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision making. But for me to explain to you what data analytics is all about, as a beginner, these terms might be too complex for you. So let me break it down. On YouTube here, when you open a new YouTube channel and you go to your news feed, it will be empty. Here is the reason. YouTube has not been able to gather any information, that is any data about you, such as the things you like, the videos you like to watch. So that is why they leave it empty, waiting for you to make like 2 to 3 inputs so they can use it to analyze and reach conclusions on the kind of videos that they will push your way. Take for example, you're someone that shops on Amazon or any other shopping site, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be using Amazon. You watch that if you've shopped on Amazon for like 3 months, you've bought so many things. Anytime you go to Amazon, immediately you log in, the items you'll be seeing are items related to your previous purchase because they believe that these are the things you like, these are the things you need. And do you know how they're able to do that? Power of data. They've been able to collect your data by your searches, activity in general on that platform. Same thing applies to Netflix. Netflix recommends the kind of shows, videos that you have watched previously. These are the power of data. So this is like a bigger picture of what data is. And that is what data analytics is because they collect this data like your information, your activities, everything you've done on that particular platform. They analyze it and they now make a decision to. Another example is this. You created a new Netflix account and for the next 1 month, you always watch rom-coms. Once you open Netflix, all the movies you'll be seeing there will be rom-com, rom-com. They will not really go to recommend horror for you. They will not go to recommend other ones for you because they believe that this is not what you want. You don't need to scroll to see the programs you want. No. At a glance, you can pick 1 or 2 movies to watch. That is the power of data analytics. Another example, I will use a sales data for you. Let's take, for example, your boss notices a drop in sales the previous month, and you're a data analyst, you work for an online store. Now your boss is worried. Why do we have a drop in sales? Here is what the data analyst will do. The data analyst will collect the relevant data, such as customer behaviors, product sales, and trends. They can collect more, but these are the 3 core data they need. These data will help them to discover why there was a drop in the previous month's sales. So this is an example of what data analytics is all about. On this channel, my mission and my goal is to make sure that beginner data analysts do not find it so difficult to break into data analytics. So if you found this video helpful, do what to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Until I see you next time, my name is Queen Valen. Bye.